We are trying to find something which is infinity. We are trying to find ourselves within everything. What exactly we are trying to find? We even don't know. Is it like we are trying to hide everything in the way we are trying to find? Is the life became invisible to us or it became transparent to us? Keeping us busy in doing something is not like we don't want to take an interest in anything. Is my suggestion to be keep quiet and try to feel what is going on around us. Even a small creature, small insect can create the difference in our life. If you see in this flawless picture, you can find some insect. They might not be creating any difference in your life, but they are alive. Instead of trying to find what we are, I think we should try to find how closer we are towards the nature, how early or how soon we can find the value of us within nature, we'll be able to find ourselves. Best of luck to the journey to find ourselves, that we can recreate our life with a lot of value and we can find the purpose of life. The purpose of life is the one thing that we should always try to find out. Once we are closer to the purpose of life, I think life would be easier for us. It's difficult. It's really difficult to find what we are, but there's no option to choose the easier and living the life without the reason, because at the end nothing matter, nothing.